How to online edit your translated documents? After translated your documents, there may be part you'd like to adjust or exclude. Click on the Online Edit to begin editing your document directly. If you want to make the title more bigger and colorful, click here to adjust the size of your text. Click here to set your text as bold. Italicize your text by clicking here. Set your text color. Adjust the text color by choosing your favorite color. After choosing, don't forget to click OK. Align your text to the left, center, or right. If you don't want to keep certain text untranslated, click the Use Original Text. When using the original text, the background of this box will turn gray. How to replacing text in your documents? Click Find and Replace. Enter the text you want to search for in the search box. Click Find to locate it. Enter the text you want to replace it with. Click on the Batch Replace button to replace multiple occurrences at once. Don't forget to click Save and Replace to confirm the changes. Successfully replaced. For replacing text individually, follow the same steps to locate the text. Don't forget to click the Find button. Enter your replacement text here. It might be different than before. Click the single replacement. Only above will be replaced. Save your changes. This method only replaces the selected occurrence. How to type directly in your documents? Click on the text and start typing. Easily adjust the text width. Also, move it to your desired position. If you make a mistake, don't worry and simply click Undo or Redo to fix it. After completing your edits, click the blue button in the top right. Select the Replace button. Wait a moment. Your document has been successfully generated. Let's use the Use Original Text function for formula documents. Formatting errors. Symbols translated. No problem. Let's preview the unedited documents. Simply click Online Edit to modify your documents. For content you don't want translated, choose Use Original Text button. Text with a gray background indicates it's already set to original. Once editing is complete, click Finish Editing. Click the Replace button. Ready to go, all formulas are restored. Let's give a try with Doclingo. If you have any question during the translation process, kindly contact support on the bottom right corner of our official website.